Today is the day when the blossoming happens to all of you. So from a tamasic energy in your mind, you go to that physical and a dharmic energy, so that all that mental docility, not kind of a tamas, you feel so shy, you feel awkward in any situation, you don't want to talk. If I tell you to come sit here and talk, you will not talk. No, I am comfortable here only. If I talk only, it will be here, it will be good. You say so. But ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೋ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎದ್ದು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ. Today I am here is only because of my divine mother. So wherever I see I only see divine mother. This is the day when you will realize your inner potential. The second day of Navaratri is that second day of understanding, and the day we realizes makes you realize your inner potential. The day of inner awakening. What is the day today? The day of inner awakening. The inner awakening, instead of being karmic, you are now inner awakening, where you will understand dharma and you will become creative, so that all that mental docileness will go off. You will be bold, you will be creative, where you will express your ideas, you will express everything. Vijay Kumar, that is what you are here on the second day of Navaratri, Shalini. This is what it is. Creative. Okay, why do I say, okay, pass on these bangles to the lady members of your house? Why? It remains a permanent bond. That is what we call it as an unshakable bond. Because in a bangle, there is no end nor there is beginning. When there is no end or beginning, that is called as dharma. Where there is no end, there is no beginning. Beginning illa, end illa. Creative. Dharma is always self-propelling, always creative. It goes on only in spirals. Dharma is spiral. Dharma is energetic. Dharma is constant. And this dharma works in your mind and in your body. That is the whole point. In this point 2, you say you are not karmic anymore, but you are going to be dharmic always. Dharma means you are only going to keep on vibrating with this creative energy. Wherever you stand, there will be a creative energy of 6 feet around you. 6 feet from the center of you. 6 feet. And when you go on doing sadhana, it will go on increasing a foot by a foot all around you. And that is called as aura. A-U-R-A, aura. Your aura is creative energy. Creative energy is symbolic. Creative energy is energetic. Creative energy is anabolic or what? It is anabolic. It is not catabolism. It is not catabolic. So, dharma energy is anabolic. Creative energy is anabolic. It is not creative, anabolic or metabolic. So dharma is both of anabolism and metabolism, not catabolism. What is bothering you now is only catabolism of your mind, not your body. With body, you can pep yourself with energy. So finally, you will come to purity and sweetness later on. So, point number 2 is karmic and dharmic propensity. This in English we call it as propensity. Okay? So, you understand, you are now going to be dharmic. So what is point number 3? Now you will understand. You are anabolic. You are not catabolic. So anabolic means the link or that area where you are going to go into metabolical mode. So when you are going into the metabolism, in the metabolical mode, then the sadhana goes in Navaratri in that metabolic mode. That means you are creating several years of austerity. Understand now? So, you are now creating several years of austerity. One mantra of Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaya, which will create anabolic with metabolical mode, metabolic zone in your brain, anabolical zone in your body, and anabolical zone in your legs and all your joints. Then one sadhana during Navaratri, one Moola Mantra Japa will take you into several years of austerity. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ. ಇದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಬೇಕು, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಒನ್ ಮಂತ್ರ, ಒನ್ ಮಾಲಾ you do several years of austerity, because now you have aligned yourself dharmically, because now you understand when you are in dharma, that means you are in the creative zone of dharma. And when you are in this creative zone, mental creativity and the physical creativity, so all your joints will become fantastic. One tablet, for example, when you feel this tablet is required for me, then one tablet will cure. You have that mental well-being. So when you go in that kind of a metabolical sadhana or a anabolical sadhana, then you will create inside a well-being, several years of austerity, well-being. So this is the whole thing. So you come into well-being. So one sadhana, one mala sadhana during Navaratri, several years of austerity you will gather. And all this kind of a prasada, especially you give it to your family members, especially the ladies, the Stri Shaktis in your house. Then they also get several years of austerity, several years of well-being in their body, mind and soul. They get that several years of austerity. One Navaratri sadhana of 9 days will give you minimum 9 years of austerity, that 9 years of well-being. So all that catabolism will go away. 9 years of well-being. Several years means what? Minimum 9 years. One sadhana will give you that life force of 9 years. Metabolism, 9 years of anabolism. So one tablet, whatever sickness you are suffering from, joint pains, all that, you are not able to move a muscle, all that will give you that 9 years of well-being. You will feel mentally active, physically active, creatively active. So you all become creative. One sadhana ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅನ್ಲಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. ವೆನ್ ದ ವೆಲ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ಲಾಕ್ಡ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ all kinds of creativity, all kinds of good things will happen to you. Important thing. So what happens? The well-being, once you understand what the well-being of you is with sadhana, automatically it gives 9 years of well-being. 9 ವರ್ಷ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 9 ನವರಾತ್ರಿಗಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಋತುಗಳು ಕೂಡ, ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಆಟಮ್, ಆಟಮ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಚಳಿಗಾಲ, ಚಳಿಗಾಲ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ವಿಂಟರ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 4 regions in every year. Okay, so 9 years you take it as 4 into 3, 12 years. ಅಂದರೆ 12 seasons. So 9 years here means 12 seasons. Write it down also. 12 seasons in a year. So you have 12 seasons. So one mala will make you go ahead for 12 seasons. 12 seasons ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಇಲ್ಲ. You will be doing this mala. ಒಂದು ಮಾಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So every mala you do will go in that much 3 months, that much 3 plus 3 next month, 3 plus 3 one more season. ಹಾಗೆ every year it takes care in 4 seasons. Then what happens? What is the goal of life? Enlightenment, sakshatkara. All of you become active. All of you are only going towards enlightenment. So you split your enlightenment zone into 4 ways. Summer, autumn, not rainy season, and then winter. So winter, autumn, summer, and spring season. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಸಂತಕಾಲ, ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ, ಮಳೆಗಾಲ, ಚಳಿಗಾಲ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಯು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಾಧನೆ 3 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಪೋನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್, ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಧಾರ್ಮ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You become very active rather than mentally docile before starting. Now from this mentally docile state, you now go into the creative zone. Then automatically there is a metamorphosis inside happening in your mind, body and your own being. ನಮ್ಮ ಇರುವಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಅನುಭವ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. Within 1 year, in that 4 seasons in that 1 year. So that's what it is. So the well-being in 12 seasons you are able to understand, because 12 seasons are required for you to become enlightened. Enlightenment for you is going to happen within 12 seasons in your lifespan.
For more satsangs from Sri Sri Nimishananda Guruji, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button below to get notifications. Like and share the video and spread the divine message.